Hi there. Welcome to this tutorial where I'll introduce you to one of our newest features, the requirement types. While requirement types are optional, they offer three major benefits. They help organize requirements into clear categories. They ensure compliance by checking that all properties and dependencies are in place. And they simplify the process of creating consistent documents using templates. Let's dive in by seeing how to create a requirement type. Start by navigating to the Requirement Type tab. Then, click Create a new requirement type to get started. Name your requirement type. The key pattern defines which requirements it applies to. Add properties, which represent the columns in your table of requirements. If you mark a property as mandatory, any requirement missing it will be flagged in red. The same rules apply for external properties. Review your requirement type and you're good to go. You will be able to look for all the requirements in this category by clicking on the total number of requirements. The search will be updated with the matching criteria. Now that your requirement types are created, there comes the second part, ensuring compliance and knowing which requirements have errors. As soon as you create a requirement type, any requirements that don't meet the mandatory properties you've set will be highlighted in red. You'll also see a warning in the requirement detail view. It is possible to filter out the requirements that match or do not match the type using the search syntax rule status equals false. If you make modifications and want to check the validation again, you can click on the Validate button at any time. Now, the last topic of this tutorial, templates. Their goal is to ensure compliance of your requirements and simplify the creation. Click on Create Page and use the template. You can see the first requirement created, matching the key pattern. You can add in more lines to your table and use the transformation wizard to generate the keys automatically. If you are looking for more info on the transformation wizard, we also have a tutorial for that. If you update your requirement types and delete or add new properties, the template will be updated. You can find all your templates by going in the top bar, select your space, and go to My Templates. Now that you know all about requirement types, it's your turn to try them out. We'd love to hear your feedback. Check out our other videos to become an expert at Requirement Yogi or ask us for a personalized demo with your team.